today's the craziest video ever that I've been manifesting for the last 5 years, which is come with me to the Wicked premiere in New York City. Hey guys, I'm Mackenzie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I take you on the behind the scenes journey of my latest cosplay project. Before we go, let's take it back in time to a couple hours ago when we were getting ready. It's the day and I look a mess and we've been walking around this morning. This is Haley. Welcome to the vlog. I'm in the vlog. It's freezing, so we're in Anthropology and we're all gonna get these really fluffy earmuffs to wear because the carpet is outside and they'll be in the fan pit for a while. So we're getting these for me and Meg, and then alphabet theme. Oh my god, this hat. Actually, I love it.
It's not serving with my hair. See?
It's serving lamp. I actually really like that hat.
I just don't know if it has staying power. Like, what do I wear to after this?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. These are so
massive.
Yeah. We're trying to get accessories and to cover up my watch tan. And I don't know, I have this pimple that's been brewing. So I'm hoping that by keeping it in this hydrocolloid patch for several days that it can't do anything. New branding reveal. I just sewed this tag into the back of my dress that no one will see but me, and I'll know it's there, and it's so cute and fun. It's nice when you can take off your hair. It does kind of smell like pasta.
I don't really smell pasta. I actually smell, it smells like spa water.
Setting the tone. Guys, it's really setting it that it's happening. This is Meg. You saw Haley in Anthropology. She's doing her hair with the Wicked Shark collaboration product. And we're watching Wicked and eating king-size Reese's because my pimples somehow went down, so I can eat all the sugar I want. I just full-blown got my period. This is so inconvenient. I only started the process of getting ready around 1 o'clock, and it is high stakes. I have to look the best I've ever looked in my life, so I am putting extensions in. I'm using foundation for the first time. It's all happening.
I will say that I feel like these are probably more like movie premiere vibes, like in
Yeah,
you know?
I think you should.
I think they're very comfortable.
I made this. Give myself a jacket. Guys, this is my signature drink. It's Tito's and Spindrift raspberry lime, and I call it a Raspberry. These cups are perfect size. Cheers. Happening. I'm freaking out. It now feels real, and I'm in touch with my emotions again. The answer is yes. We're keeping the earmuffs. They match the outfit perfect. Love. Oh. Love.
Oh my god, actually this is really cute.
Guys, we never do this. We really never do this. Somebody's coming. Yay.
Okay, Kenz, can you give us a rundown of the dress, like how you made it?
Okay, guys, costume Kenz over here. Okay, all right, guys, outfit of the day, going to the Wicked premiere in New York City. This dress was sponsored by Mood and made by me, designed from my own brain, and it's made of basically plastic and very sheer and giving bubble. We got the Uber black SUV. It's gonna be the black Suburban. Oh my god, it's literally pulling up. It was only $64.
They can't breathe.
Yeah, we needed this size. We're here 27 minutes early, so we're just waiting outside for cold, but we're so excited. Also, this is Megan. Hi. And Megan, introduce yourself.
My name's Megan.
I've known Megan since preschool.
Yeah.
Preschool. Mm-hmm. Guys. Sam! Liza! Hi, guys! Guys, what the heck? We're here. What? was feeling so normal for all of the other photo ops, and then when I got in front of all of the actual paparazzi, I was panicked. You can see this moment here in my face that I don't know what I'm doing and I'm really forgetting to smile, but you know, maybe next time.
I love that. What's this one?
Oscar.
I think I actually am going to take the Oscar.
Is there one that's smoking?
The camera, and you can see how it's going to be recorded right there.
Yeah.
And then I'll get texted to you.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much.
I can't get much more. I'm just going to
All right, it's fine. As much as we got.
need you recorded, so make sure
Okay.
you realize that
Here we go.
you're dressed in here. Oh my god. This is 4 seconds.
I apologize in advance because you're about to hear some very bad karaoke.
I'd be so happy I could melt. And so it will be for the rest of my life. And I want nothing else till I die. Held in such high esteem. When people see me, they will scream. For half of Oz's favorite. The Wizard. And
Hey guys, we're inside now. I'm packing the Pippa packable puffer into its packable pouch. Ooh. Costumes are here! Easter egg. So cute. Wait, but they are perfect ruby slippers and the new ones. Love.
Okay. Options. You want fantabulous? I feel like this is the best for your outfit.
Okay,
But
thank you.
also find your courage.
Ooh, this matches my outfit, but I like Made in Oz because I made it.
Yeah, love it.
Thank you so much. Oh, you look so cute. Hey guys, the lighting is amazing. So we're here and Ariana, Jonathan, Jeff, Cynthia, are all down there, and it's all because, well, we're here all because I wrote it down in my journal.
We're here because you worked really hard.
But also I manifested it.
Right, that too. But she did work really, really hard.
I just want to say hi to Paul. There's Paul! Oh my god! Paul! There's Paul! It's Jeff! It's Jeff! And I'll stand there with the wizard. Jeff! There's Paul. Where's Jeff? I lost him. He's there. Hey Jeff. That's Ariana's ponytail.
Oh, I see ball.
That's Cynthia. Ariana is getting her paparazzi pics. And
I'm one of them.
is that Jonathan? Is that you? People's sexiest man alive. There, it's John M2. He's over there. All the excitement of the before events, I almost forgot we were here to see the movie. That's the whole point.
It's been a long journey. Mine's a little bit compared to this guy's journey. How do you describe what it feels like to work on a project for 5+ years? How does it feel like to dream about making movies in my parents' Chinese restaurant? Doing homework at the bar, drawing storyboards and my math homework that I never finished. My math homework, that means I finished the storyboards, but not my math homework. How about Ariana Grande? And why not Cynthia Riva? with a Super 8 camera tonight.
Wow, makeup held up surprisingly well. My top was restricting me from breathing during the all of the heavy crying scenes, so that was really helpful. And I think my eyelashes are starting to peel off from the liquid. But we haven't changed for good. So good. Single file seating.
Haley and I were both watching it like this.
We waited to get back before we debriefed, and let me tell you, the debrief went hard.
I feel like he's got too many limbs.
Like
like this is your perfect one. Stop, this picture is nuts. That is
Not good lighting in the hallway.
The lighting really I couldn't fix, like on that.
Trying to make an aesthetic ending to the video.
I need to.
So what a crazy video to wrap up. Overall, I'm so grateful to Universal for inviting me to this amazing experience and thankful for my friends and family for supporting me along the way. And I actually couldn't be happier. The movie was so amazing. I have absolutely no notes and I can't wait to see Wicked for Good again. So come back for more cosplay content because I will show you the behind the scenes of how I made my dress for this event.